to the channel TECHTAP. While initial response of Windows 11 is good, but in video, I'm gonna show you why you should not update to it right now. Number 1, Default Apps. Now it's a lot difficult to change default apps in Windows 11. Before in Windows 10 you can just go to the default apps, select category, and select the default app for that category. But in Windows 11, you have to go to the default apps. And here select the app plug if you want to change your default web browser. Then go to the installed web browser and set it as default for each and every file type like HTML, PDF and others. Number 2, Taskbar Limitation. Although Windows 11 Taskbar is very different and new, but there is no option to resize it and you can't move it to the top or side of the screen. And also Weather widget is now gone. Number 3, Start Menu. It is also redesigned and looks good, but now it takes more space on your screen. And if you like the live tiles of Windows 10, it is now gone. And you can't see all apps right away and you have to do an extra click to see all apps. Number 4, you no longer have Action Center, which combine notification and action settings. Now when you click on time and date, it will show you calendar and your notifications. And now internet, sound and battery icon are mixed together. When you click on it, you see some quick settings, like Wi-Fi and airplane mode, but you don't have volume mixture in quick settings, and you can only select default output device from here. Number 5, Context Menu. In Windows 11 when you right-click on File, on desktop or anywhere, it will show you the most user options, and if you don't see a required option then you have to click on Show More Options, and then it will show full context menu options, like in Windows 10. Number 6, System Requirements. One of the main reasons not to upgrade to Windows 11 is system requirements. On system requirements is good, but the list of compatible processors is short, and only most recent processors is supported. The big issue with Windows 11 is Trusted Platform Module, also known as DPM module. Most recent devices don't have it or it is off by default. And if you build your own computer, then the chances of missing TPM is quite high and you have to buy it separately. Number 7, Sign-in Requirements. Windows 11 requires you to sign in. When installing Windows now you can no longer use offline account for a while. Windows 11 Pro user had the option to skip it and use offline account, but now that's gone. And you have to log in with Microsoft account during installation process. And that's it. So guys, if you liked the video then like it and share it with your friends and family. Also subscribe for more videos. See you guys in next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.